bottom button, that one. Let's press the button to take off again.
It is very confusing.
You're turning it round. Are you trying to turn it round on purpose?
No, it was hitting that, so I was trying to...
Yeah, but that's the one to move it away from there, if you want it to move away, not... Left a bit. That's it. No, that's no good going under there.
Whoa, not my head. Don't want anything to move my head.
Now where are you going? You're getting stuck out there, come on. Back this way.
Oh my god, that's backwards.
Go and get it.
Whoa, not my head.
Come back. What on earth are you doing? Missed.
Missed! Wait, I'm gonna try and take off from here and try and land it on here.
Okay, that's good practice.
Okay.
Well, you have to line it.
Forwards.
You have to line it up to land it. You can't just assume it's going to land.
I know. Like that land.
Bring it backwards a little bit so it'll line up.
I landed it on there.
Yeah, well that wasn't really what you were aiming to do, was it?
Wait, I've got a plan. I think I can try and get it on here and land it on here.
Yeah, that'll be good. What you really ought to do is go down to get it to land and then press the down button. bring it down.
Oh! I'm going to keep on doing it until I do it.
As I say, I'd use the down rather than the land button.
Whoa! And it landed!
No, it didn't. That crashed. Blue is at the front. You've got to come backwards, backwards, backwards. It'd really help.
Forwards, backwards, up,
Yes,
down.
but it's in relation to the blue and the red. Now you're just twisting. You're twisting it with your other hand.
Oh. I nearly.
Well done.
Yeah, but I was trying to land it in the middle.
Well, at least you landed it. It really would be a lot easier if you did it up and down the room instead of across the room, because then you wouldn't keep hitting the walls. If you bring it down slowly, up a bit, you pressed the down button, didn't you? Just come back, not that button. No.
I'm trying it from here now.
Okay. Forwards a bit. Forwards a bit. Back a touch. It's going to land in a minute anyway because the lights are flashing. It's running out of battery. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.